Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to convert PDF to Excel without software. So guys, easy way to convert PDF files online and offline. So if you want to convert your PDF to Excel offline, as I will show you, I have this PDF and we will convert this file into Excel. So firstly open Microsoft Word. Now drag and drop this file to Word. Click on OK. Now here guys, you have to copy. So select it and copy. Now open Excel and paste here. So as we can see, we successfully converted our this PDF file into Excel. Now you can customize size and settings in Excel. So this is the way guys you can convert offline your PDF to Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.